all bondo, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at that, people.
I wouldn't take it any farther than this.
Okay.
Because you can take the rest off with 80 grit. Or even 40 grit on the small sand.
Okay. There we go, people. That's what I'm going to be doing. So I know it's really loud. I'm going to get back at it. Talk to you soon. Alright, that's where we're at with that grind machine. Holy moly. You can see there's a little rod here. I'm going to have to put a little patch there for sure. I mean, other than that, look at that. Took me 20 minutes, guys, 25 minutes. And it would have took Dean a lot faster, but he's used to that machine. It kind of scared me there for a bit till I got used to it. Because he was like, it can mess up these kind of corners here real quick. So I was a little afraid of it. But he showed me how, and I hit it. So now I just got to finish cleaning it all up with some 80 grit. Some little work here. But let's hit it with some 80 and see where we can go from there. Make it look like the other door. Got some work done on the Mustang, so the Mustang it's in really nice shape, people. So alright, I'm going to hit this up some more. I'll bring you back when I get some more work done. Alrighty, bye-bye. Alrighty, Dean got me to go over the whole thing with 40 grit. Oh, did that turn out nice. You can see there's a little mark right there. But we got over it with the 40 grit, so now I'm going to hit it with the 80. And then that'll be done. And it'll just be the bottom side. And from my understanding, I'm going to pull all the guts out of it. Because Dean said the best way to do that is sandblast. So that's what I'll do. I'll take both doors and pull everything out of it. And then what we'll do is just sandblast it this summer. So I'll be able to do all the body work on it, get that all ready to go, sandblast it, and these will be awesome. Because these are expensive. Look at how intricate the lines are on this thing. Like, so, look at that. Just so many different lines. It's insane. For one stamping. One piece stamping, people. Alrighty. I'm going to get at it. Dean is hammering that. I'll show you once he gets a little more progress done with the Mustang. But that's where we're at so far. So, I'm going to get at the 80 grit, people. Talk to you soon. Okay, people. We got the top off. Look at how nice the shape that is. You're not going to be bumhurt about that, people. Not for a vehicle that this is old. Look at that. Oh yeah. Now it's cleanup time. Alrighty, people. Oh yeah. Update time. Update. So you can see we do have some work right here ahead of us. That'll take some time. There is right here where there was some filler. You can see that it looks like there's a bit of a ding in there that I'd like to fix. Little one here, little one here. And we got some rust and that in here that we're definitely going to have to fix, because that is pretty paper thin. As you can see, push it in, so we'll have to graft in a piece there for sure. And then it looks like here there was a fix many moons ago, because it's brass. So I don't know when that was done, but we'll definitely have to go through that and fix that. But other than that, not too bad. And I got all along in this channel, and I know this channel is covered by bright work, but I figured clean it anyway. There's a little ding there, but I got all around the door handles, so that's all good to go. A little mark there, but look at how nice that cleaned up, guys. Oh, I'm so happy. And so I was talking to Dean, and I'm going to pull all the guts out. I don't even know if I mentioned that before, but I'm going to pull all the guts out of this, and then it'll be sandblasting. So I'll have to talk to Dean and find out if we body work first or we wait. So I don't know. And then we got that door all ready to go. Maybe at least pull out some of these big dents and stuff. Maybe get some of that body work going. Not like finished body work, but at least all the steel work done, right? Get all that kind of stuff done on these doors. And like this repair, whatever we do here and over there and over there, right there. But I mean, getting that all stuff done, I think that'll be top notch. And then some progress on the Sting. We got that piece out. We have it all good to go for the rust inhibitor or preventer or whatever the stuff is. Got that all on here. Everything has been wired, but we got a little bit of work to do right in here and right in here by the looks of it. So, and then we'll probably put a patch just right here and re-weld this and get all that done. So I mean, progress is happening. We're getting work done, people. And there's the steel. But that's where we're at so far. Oh yeah, so I know I'm very fortunate and I have some very good friends. I am fortunate because this tool is $500 and this tool's a little over, and well, Snap-on, everybody knows what that's worth, and Mac. So I used all these tools, is everything that I have used to get that door going. And the shop, of course. But that's where we're at. So those are all the tools that I used on just that door. So I've been busy, but getting things done. What time is it? 12:35. So I think what I'm going to do next is start pulling all the guts and everything out of the doors so that I got that whole aspect ready. Because I got to pull absolutely everything. Like I got to pull that out, this all out, clean up the best I can. So I got to pull all that stuff out of there. So that'll take me some time, because all that's got to come out. And all the rattling, that's nice. But there we go. But once again, doesn't look terrible. A little bit of surface rust maybe, but I mean, all the holes are still there. It's not bad, honestly. But I gotta clean everything all up, pull all this stuff out of here and get it ready to go. So that's gonna be my next project. I am so freaking happy, people. I'm fairly exhausted, not because I'm, you know, a wimp, but I got a lot of this done, and that makes me happy. So now I'll just freaking take the rest of this apart, and I mean, we're laughing, guys. We're just laughing. And be able to freaking see, because that's like dirt more than it is anything else. So holy moly, that saves a lot of money on doors. Oh, with a little bit of my time, which I have lots of. Alrighty, so I'm gonna let you go, and I'm gonna start on this because it's just the right thing to do. I did a little bit of floor sweeping. You remember if you've seen the videos on how muddy that was. Holy moly, it was red from there all the way over to there. So I cleaned up the section. Later today, we'll move the Mustang and start cleaning up the shop, get it ready to go for Monday. Alrighty, so I'm gonna let you at whatever. I'm gonna let you at it, and I'm gonna get at it, and we will talk to you soon. Alrighty, bye-bye.